RTOS real-time operating system, that is the RTOS kernel micro C operating system second. There are nearly 100 real-time operating systems in commercial market. So shopping for a real-time operating system is not an easy task. We will review the following operating system, that is the QNX Neutrino, VxWorks, Micro C dash operating system second, RT Linux. Then first is the QNX Nutrio. QNX Nutrio is the popular real-time operating system QNX Software System Limited. It supports a number of the processors such as the ARM, MIPS Power PC, SH4, Strong Arm, x86 and the Pentium. Board support package and the device driver kit helps the fast development of your prototype. It provides an excellent integrated development environment. It has the supports the C, C++ and the Java languages and the TCP/IP protocol stacks. It has support for the multiple scheduling algorithms such as the round robin, FIFO, and the same application can different scheduling algorithm for the different tasks. Up to the 65,535 tasks are the supported and each task have the 65,535 threads. Minimum time resolution is the 1 nanosecond. Even small embedded system use can the operating system requires the 64K kernel ROM and the 34K kernel RAM. Then second is the VxWorks. Wind River VxWorks is the one of the most popular real-time operating system. This operating system has been used Mars Pathfinder. It supports a number of processors including the Power PC, internal Strong Arm, Hitachi Super H, Motorola Coldfire. It supports both primitive and the round robin scheduling algorithm. Is the 256 level can be assigned to the task. It supports the priority inheritance. Those who are assigned against the priority inheritance, you need to note the feature, which is an option provided to the developer. Then third is the Micro C operating system second. Microcontroller operating system version second, developed by the Jane J. Labroses, is a primitive real-time operating system which is the popular of the teaching concept. It is also used widely many commercial application, includes the mission critical application. It is certified for the use commercial aircraft by the Federal Aviation Administration. The standard RTCA DO07178B specify the requirements. The author of this OS summarized its feature beautifully. Source code availability, roamable, scalable, primitive, portable, multitasking, domestic, reliable, supports for the different platforms. This operating system supports 64 tasks, out of which the 8 are 8 system tasks. Hence, the application can have up to 56 tasks. Each task is assigned the unique priority. Round robin scheduling algorithm is not supported by the operating system. RT Linux. FSM Labs has 2 editions of the RT Linux and the RT Linux Pro and the RT Linux Free. RT Linux Pro is the pre-dated edition and the RT Linux Free is the open source releases. RT Linux is a hard real operating system which supports for the many processors such as the x86, Pentium, Power PC, ARM, MIPS and the Alpha. A footprint of the 4 MB is required for the RT Linux. It does not support priority inheritance. RT Linux runs the underneath the Linux operating system. The Linux operating system becomes the ideal task for the RT Linux. RT Linux tasks are the given priority is compared to the Linux task. Interrupts from the Linux are the disabled to achieve the real-time performance. This interrupt disabling is the done using the layer of the emulation software between the Linux kernel and the interrupt kernel hardware. The task which is not have any timing concentration will the run in the Linux kernel only. Soft real-time capability is the provided by the Linux system. Hard real-time task run in the real-time kernel. Worst case time in the 15 microsecond between giving the interrupt signal and the starting of the real-time handler. Mini RTL in the tiny implementation, and the RT Linux runs the 486 machine. This implementation is the target towards the PC1 for the boards. It is the finite state machines. Then next is the RT Linux POXes. RT Linux POXes threads. It is the RT Linux POXes threads. That means the RT Linux processor operating system. Threads is the lightweight of the POXes. Common address is equal to p threads / create the in bracket. This function is used the real-time thread include the separate the include header file and the separate include the pthread header file.